Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, today is a very historic moment for the people of our state. It is with a great sense of pride, a great sense of honor, and a great sense of humility that I would like to inform this House and all the citizens of our state that a bust of our great freedom fighter and great leader, Tirot Sing, is being unveiled in Dhaka, in Bangladesh today. Mr. Speaker, sir, Tirot Sing is a symbol of hope, a symbol of bravery, and a symbol of patriotism. Today, by unveiling the bust of Tirot Sing in Dhaka, all of these have been recognized, and I would like to officially take this opportunity to thank the government of Bangladesh and the Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh. I would like to thank the Honorable Prime Minister of India, the Government of India, and all the other stakeholders who have made this a possibility. So as I speak, our team, which is headed by the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mas Balangdhar, our Art and Culture Minister, Paul Lyngoh, our Health Minister, Kong Amperin Lyngoh, and our State Planning Board Chairman, paitbah Lyngoh, along with different traditional heads, himas of different CMship, different community leaders, different academicians, different artists, and members from the press are in Dhaka today to be part of this memorable and a very, very historic moment. There are two parts of the program where the official unveiling of the bust is being done as I speak, and in the evening there will be a cultural program which is being organized there by the government of Bangladesh and the government of Meghalaya and other organizations to honor this great leader and also to honor and respect the different cultures and tribes of the state of Meghalaya. Sir, I once again would like to take this opportunity to thank the government of Bangladesh and the government of India for taking this initiative. This is not just a simple bust that we are unveiling. As I mentioned, this is truly a recognition of our freedom fighters, of the contributions that the people of Meghalaya, the leaders of Meghalaya made towards the freedom struggle and the fight at that time against the Britishers. So therefore, sir, this is a great moment and a moment that we all should be proud of. And as I said, I once again would like to thank the government of Bangladesh and the government of India. With these few words,